All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Almost to 4,000 subscribers, so I'm super thankful for that. About 9 away at the time of making this video. But let's go ahead and get started. So the only thing I have left to do in this room is the light switch at the front door, the dryer box, and making up the panel and putting on the mud rings. So got everything, all the branch circuits pulled today. And then also made up. So it was a pretty productive day. So just doing some nice box work here. If you just saw that one switch, just keeping everything nice and clean inside the boxes. So got the switch legs up here for the living room, the kitchen, and the fan coil unit. Got the kitchen right here with the disposal, the kitchen circuits, the dishwasher, disposal range, all that good stuff. So just got on one circuit we have 2 plugs, and on the other circuit we have 2 plugs. So the dining room right here shares with one of the kitchens, and then the other kitchen circuit has 2 plugs. So this is the bedroom and the low voltage panel again, and here are the here's the bedroom again. The only reason I have the mud rings on those over there on that spreader bar is because you basically need the mud ring for the box to stay on the spreader bar. So if you don't, it's pretty much a nightmare and it's not going to work. So basically you have to put the mud ring on those really weird spreader bars for it to work and to hold on there. But other than that, those are the only mud rings I have on. And then going to the bathroom, got that done, and then you'll see here the washer dryer. The only thing I have to do is land the ground on the dryer and then fold the wires inside the box. Got this all strapped down right here, right above it, so both of them are on the same strap right above the dryer box. And then you got the 2 coils up here for the bathroom, and then the other coil for the vanity, which is kind of short, so hopefully that makes it. There's going to be a box mounted at 52 inches eventually. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Like I said, a few subscribers away from 4,000. I never thought I'd make it this far, let alone this year. So I'm super thankful to everyone who has been supporting me day in and day out, all the new subscribers every day. So about 9 subscribers away, if I didn't say 8, but it's 9 right now. I think I just lost one, but like I said, 9 subscribers away. Gonna do a giveaway as soon as I hit 4,000, which will be probably today or tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you want to be a part of that. Thank you so much. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe on the video, or like the video and subscribe. And check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.